In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap shifts on Connecteam. To get started, open the Connecteam app and head to the job scheduler. This is where your assigned shifts are organized, and it's the main place you'll use whenever you need to make changes to your schedule. Once you're in the scheduler, find the specific shift that you want to give up and tap on it to open the shift details. From there, look for the option labeled Find Replacement. This feature is designed to help you request coverage directly through the app, instead of needing to contact everyone manually. When you tap it, Connecteam will show you a suggested list of qualified teammates. These suggestions are based on who is eligible to take that shift, which helps make the process faster and keeps scheduling more accurate. Choose the teammate you want to send the replacement request to, then submit the request through the app. At this point, the request is sent out, and the next part of the process depends on how your organization has set things up. In some workplaces, once a teammate accepts the request, the shift can move forward right away. In others, the swap or replacement still needs final approval from a manager. So if you don't see the change happen immediately, that usually just means it's waiting for review. It's also important to understand that not every company treats shift changes the same way. In many cases, this process is simply about finding someone to cover your shift. But if your workplace requires a true shift swap, meaning you and a coworker are directly exchanging shifts with each other, that may involve additional settings controlled by your manager. If that requirement is in place, your manager may need to configure the shift settings accordingly, or you may be asked to submit a formal shift swap request form instead of using the standard replacement flow. As a general tip, it's a good idea to check your company's scheduling policy if you're unsure whether you're requesting a replacement or a true swap. That can save time and help you avoid sending the wrong type of request. It's also helpful to review the shift details carefully before submitting anything, just to make sure you've selected the correct date, time, and teammate. And that's how to swap shifts on Connecteam. Open the app, go to the job scheduler, select your shift, tap Find Replacement, choose a qualified teammate, and submit the request. If needed, just wait for manager approval or follow your company's shift swap process.